The reason for the seasons. How can it be winter on one side of the earth while it's summer on the other? You know a lot about the seasons already. You know that in the winter it's colder and may snow depending on where you live. You know it's warmer in the summer, but do you know why? Let's take a look at the Earth and how it moves. The Earth is continuously moving. It is spinning on its axis, or imaginary line that goes through the North Pole to the South Pole. One complete spin of the Earth takes 24 hours, and it's why we have night and day. The Earth also orbits around the Sun. It takes 1 year, and it is the reason we have seasons. Take a look at the Earth moving around the Sun. You can see the Earth receives different amounts of sunlight along its path. Notice during the orbit, if the northern part of the Earth, or northern hemisphere, is tilted toward the Sun, the southern part, or southern hemisphere, is tilted away from the Sun. When the northern hemisphere is pointed toward the Sun, the northern hemisphere is having summer, while the southern hemisphere is having winter. Winter usually means colder temperatures. Look at how the Earth is tilted away from the Sun in its orbit around the Sun. Notice how the sunlight shines indirectly on the northern hemisphere in December and directly on the southern hemisphere in July. Winter in the northern hemisphere starts on December 21st and ends on March 21st. Winter in the southern hemisphere starts on June 21st and ends on September 21st. Spring comes after winter, and it may not bring many changes if you live in a place that is warm most of the year. Spring means the temperatures are warmer because the tilt of the Earth is pointed more towards the Sun than it is in winter. Notice how the Sun shines on the northern hemisphere in April and on the southern hemisphere in October. Spring in the northern hemisphere starts on March 21st and ends on June 21st. Spring in the southern hemisphere starts on September 21st and ends on December 21st. Summertime means sunshine. It is when the Earth is tilted toward the Sun. Look at how the Sun shines directly on the northern hemisphere in July and on the southern hemisphere in April. Summer in the northern hemisphere starts on June 21st and ends on September 21st. Summer in the southern hemisphere starts on December 21st and ends on March 21st. Fall gives relief from the hot temperatures of summer. During the fall, the Earth is tilting farther away from the Sun than it does in the summer. You can see how the Sun is not shining as directly on the northern hemisphere in October and the southern hemisphere in April as it did in the summer. Fall in the northern hemisphere begins on September 21st and ends on December 21st. Fall in the southern hemisphere begins on March 21st and ends on June 21st. It is important to know which season it is for each part of the Earth. It would come in handy when planning a vacation from one hemisphere to another. It's also nice to know why it's snowing on the news in one part of the world while your part of the world is having summer. In summary, the reason for the seasons is all about the way the Earth tilts on its axis. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line that goes through the North Pole to the South Pole. It takes Earth 1 year to orbit the Sun. The way the Earth is tilted and the position of the Earth during its orbit determine each season.